Good morning and welcome to another trip. We made our way to Phuket yesterday.
After 3 flights and 12 hours in total of flight time.
Yeah, took us about 24 hours and all, but it was a bit tiring, but we got here. We're currently in the Kamala Beach area. Checked into our hotel yesterday, and yesterday evening we were lucky there was a Krathong Festival.
They honor their water goddess, they give thanks, they prepare these
banana leaves
with flowers,
ornaments kind of, with flowers and candles. You light it up and there's a small stream of water next to the beach here, and we basically let it float into the sea, into this water, and hopefully it brings fortune and good luck
for next year. Yes,
we'll see.
We had some dinner on the beach.
Yes, had some nice food, but we did go in to rest because we were quite tired.
We went out exploring late in the afternoon, early evening. During this time, the tide is low, so most of the beach is exposed. Keep watching till the end of this video for the recommended restaurant in Kamala Beach and for the best banana fritter I have ever tasted in my life.
So, what we're having is tom kapong, which is shrimp with coconut milk. It's a soup, and fried glass noodles with vegetables, and the safe plate, the chicken with cashew nuts and sweet and sour sauce.
No, it's chicken and cashew nut. It doesn't say sweet and sour sauce.
It's sweet and sour sauce.
Okay. But with this view of Kamala Beach.
The next morning, we spent the day at the beach at Kamala. You can rent a set of deck chairs and an umbrella at a very good price, and you'll even get a bodyguard. Good morning from Kamala Beach. Today we're trying the Kamala Beach, just outside our hotel. First impressions?
It's alright. All beaches were kind of like really well organized.
The sand is a bit thicker here. Just a bit.
Water is more greenish.
Murky-ish, yes. But it's okay.
Turns out that while swimming, there was something lurking under the water. At one point, we heard a commotion on the shoreline, so we went closer to see what happened. It was a huge lizard. Thankfully, the beach guy caught it, after which we casually went back into the water. Because logic! The adults dish.
So the adults are having pork with garlic and pepper, but obviously the compulsory rice dish. If you don't say, you want rice? So with rice, and on the other side we went for the full-on Western with the hot dog and chips.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Come along on our next adventure. We're heading to Patong.
Kamala Beach. We like.